Mucky. Ôi trời ơi, Mucky nhỏ đó trời 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 chị trời 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 trời. But so, we are filming here, okay? And with lighting, with a good illumination for best picture quality. And so, he will to be with me. The problem is that sometimes you are doing things and the cat came here and start to make a lot of troubles, and also when he needs to go to the garden to make his pee and all that. But it's the other problem. They'll start to eat and they don't know that he need to make his things, and immediately I need to open the door, and so because I don't know. And the other problem is that he inside the house is a total mess of things, and I need to make order to arrange everything. But so no, the Mucky and the camera working very well. On Monday I think that the other two cameras will be very useful with the autofocus and not so wide view angle, because the barrel distortion is not nice when you need to use a whiteboard when you, in the case of filming, for example, things that you want to show the shape and all that, with the distortion is not nice. Okay, so, and here's the Mucky, and the Mucky, and the Mucky. Very heavy, eat too much, but it's not so fat, no, because I don't want to have a second broken leg in the, because it will be a total disaster if he broke his leg again. Okay, but so I will turn off the recording